To only show the always on display when receiving a new notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap always on display. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select show for new notification as the display mode for your always on display. By choosing this option, now when you receive a new notification while the screen is off, your phone will show always on display where you can see the clock, the new notification, and other information you have set to be shown on the always on display. As you can see, when the screen is off and you receive a new notification, your phone will show the always on display and the new notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.